In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Squarespace mobile view. So first, just click edit on your page like normal, and then click on the mobile icon on the top right, and your screen will adapt to mobile design. Now if you want to edit sections, then just click on the section you would like to edit and press on the pencil icon. This opens up a menu where you can change the format, background, and colors of your specific section. So just scroll down and do this with the page and change it to your own preferences. For this, let's use the first section as an example. So we want to change the colors, so let's go over and press edit section over here and then press colors. So let's go ahead and choose this option, and then let's just go back to the light. So with that, we are able to customize the mobile view depending to how we like it, and we can also hold on the text so that we can resize it and drag it to any position that we would like on the mobile view page. If you have any questions, then just leave it in the comments below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.